This is a beautiful cutting board made by John Boos by hand. Hi, I'm Sebastian from Going Planet, and here we have a beautiful oversized 24 by 18 by 1.5 inches thick. This one here is massive. It is reversible, so this side is just normally flat, and this one here has what they call the groove juice, so you don't spill out when you're cutting meats and such. Now, it is a beautiful board that you can also use as a presentation for charcuterie on a table as a centerpiece. John Boos offers a variety of different cutting boards, from the smaller ones to the oversized ones like these, and it makes an amazing butcher block for the kitchen. The maple wood is hand-selected from a sustainable source, and all you need to clean it is soapy warm water, and away you go. Never submerge it underwater, and it is not dishwasher safe. Let me show you how the people at John Boos clean their cutting boards. Now, they recommend once a week, once every 2 weeks, depending on your use, to put a little bit of what they call the mystery oil in it. What this is going to do, once it gets its way into the fibers of the wood, it's really treat the wood and protect it, especially after you've cleaned it thoroughly. Now it looks like it's got a brand new life to it. Now, as per manual, they say to leave it overnight, do its thing so the wood gets treated properly. Now, once that's completed, once a month or so, they recommend using the board butter. Board butter is applied, just a little bit will do. And again, same circular motion, same application, and same duration. So overnight, so that the next morning you are ready to use your cutting board and the wood has been entirely treated. A beautiful piece of craftsmanship. This unique investment, if treated properly, can last a lifetime.